Hi, fitness enthusiasts. This is Fitness Brat, your fitness partner. Today, we're diving into the world of cardiovascular exercises. These exercises are essential for the proper functioning of your heart and lungs, ensuring your body gets the oxygen-rich blood it needs to thrive. Heart and lungs are vital organs that work tirelessly to keep us alive. The heart pumps oxygen-rich blood throughout the body, while the lungs ensure that oxygen enters the bloodstream. To maintain this intricate system, it's crucial to engage in cardiovascular exercises regularly. For beginners, the most basic and accessible exercise is walking. Walking not only increases your stamina, but also helps in burning fat. Aim to walk for at least 30 minutes every day. It's a low-impact exercise that anyone can start with, regardless of their fitness level. As you get more comfortable, try to increase your walking speed. Power walking is a fantastic way to boost your heart rate and enhance cardiovascular benefits. Once you're comfortable with walking or jogging, it's time to step it up literally. Running on stairs is an excellent way to elevate your heart rate and improve your cardiovascular fitness. It also strengthens your legs and core. Start with a few minutes each day and gradually increase your duration as your stamina improves. Another fantastic exercise is rope skipping. Skipping rope for just 5 minutes a day can significantly enhance the functioning of your heart and lungs. It's a high-intensity exercise that burns a lot of calories in a short amount of time. Finally, let's talk about burpees. This full-body exercise combines a small jump, a squat, and a push-up, making it one of the best exercises for cardiovascular health. Doing burpees for just 2 minutes every day can lead to significant improvements in your stamina and overall fitness. Incorporating these exercises into your daily routine will not only enhance your heart and lung function, but also help you achieve a leaner physique. So, why not start today? Your heart and lungs will thank you. We wish you the best of luck on your healthy journey. Remember, never stop working hard. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.